I'm gonna try a vlog. Yo, 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 what's up? I'm Sunglass Rob. It's so funny that this is the camera I'm afraid of. I feel like with not a lot of people around and no glasses to talk about, why watch? But I'm about to do a couple of really cool trips and I think it might be fun. Just come check it out if you want. Like, it might be cool. Pads, shoes, hip pack, extra mount for GoPro, inserts, my watch, some nutrition, some APX sport drink. I love that stuff. Headphones, that's my little riding wallet. SportRx stickers, of course, I got to sticker up the helmets. Some links in case, you know, just a couple of little things you might need. One pair of glasses, outliers in there, mags in there, a bunch of glasses, some SportRx water bottles. We got a kit, we got another kit, we got some brand new fresh socks. Thank you, Stance. I got this Forefront 2 helmet from Smith. Thank you, Jimmy. A beautiful helmet. First of all, it's got rose gold on it. Come on. I think it's got a really cool integration system story with glasses. So this is the Outlier 2 XL. I got these to replace my low down XLs. I believe this is the original low down. This has a transition brown lens on it that goes totally clear to like a medium tint. Camera and light mount. I have an extra one which I'm going to take because they're going to give us another helmet. This will fit. I'll learn how it screws in after a couple practices. I think I got it, and I think it'll just hold. It's going to be a test out situation for me. Optics on these things are awesome. They're Trivex digital single vision transition signature 7, in case you were interested in things like that. I think I might like this vlogging thing. Here we go. Thank you. Yeah. I can walk. Coffee time with Stephanie.
We made it through the long security line.
It was easy. They were nice. Yeah, we found Mr. Mark Barrett. It got bumpy there at the end. GoPro's got stabilization.
There's some whoopty-woos.
The little whoopty-woos. Cheesing hard right now because I just got spotted, and I love when I get spotted.
Rob.
There's no shame in my game. Dude, you gotta check out this minivan. It's got like the baller rims right there. Can you see that? It's dark. We're rolling hard in the Caravan minivan with the baller rims. What's up? Say thank you, Matt. Matt hooked it up. He got here early. It's VIP treatment. First things first, we gotta go find some coffee. Timmy's here.
Timmy!
Get used to the camera. Embrace. Chris is gonna be the star now.
Sunglass Chris.
Yeah! We found the coffee shop. Look at that thing. The one that says we're close. Oh baby, this place is dope. He's a professional photographer, by the way. All right, we're going into the Smith building. Say hi. Hi, Shelby. Shelby, I'm vlogging now. This is me vlogging. We shot in here for a day once.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, I remember this. Oh, snap. Yeah, baby.
Make stuff at home.
Nice.
This is dope. Oh, look at those. Those are fresh. Put them on. Does anybody see something here? What? It's a Rexy. Do you guys know what a Rexy is? This is the Outlier 2, which I wore on this trip. Best lifestyle sunglasses. It's in the building, over 100 years old.
Yeah, it's super old.
Yeah.
An old Salvation Army building.
And it's like if you roll a ball at any place, it will not. It'll like go.
Yeah, it's got those.
Yeah.
Colors.
read it.
Watching you.
Have you heard about the latest thing? Everybody's jacking in. Innovation, see to conquer the nation. Just come along and get right in. This is how it's done. Come on, we've already begun. Now keep your arms out to your sides and
We've arrived. We have arrived at Hood River at the Best Western, and I believe our reputation supersedes us. Everyone's laughing all around us. This is gonna be dope. Can we meet these dogs, please?
Rita.
What's up, Rita?
oh, baby, we got along.
And then look what we got back here. We got 3 Rocky Mountain demo bikes with gold, I said gold, lettering, Fox 36s, a beautiful purple Specialized, a Santa Cruz. We's about to have some fun. Ooh, we got some Eagle gear. I like it, I like it. It is epically beautiful, and we just got geared up on our bike. Stephanie's first time on a mountain bike ever, shredding! Put the GoPro on your head, they said. It won't hurt, they said. We got this extra long unicorn attachment, they said. I got one of these things. That's what's happening. That was fun. I like this trail already. Whoop, 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 whoop. No, you're good. You were good. I wasn't gonna run into you. Stephanie's been laughing it up on some whoop-de-woos. She's feeling good on the bike. All right, we lost you guys with the GoPro back there on the trail. Stephanie made it down alive.
I made a dirt angel.
Yeah, we did make an example out of her because she's wearing gray lenses on the mountain bike, so she's like crushing my heart and soul. Shout out to Tim and Matt from Smith for making this happen.
And Jimmy!
Jimmy! We missed you, Jimmy!
Did you break a nail?
I did not. I didn't. You know, I've been taking a break from getting my
Oh, what is this baby face? Oh, smooth for the camera.
Did it for you.
Who are you? Box full of testing. You're gonna get the lowdown on the lowdowns. Yes, I'm gonna keep saying that. Post Canyon day 2. We're scouting for some spots to do some product reviews. Dude, this looks dope on camera. Hey everybody, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and today we're here to talk about the Smith Lowdown. Portland trip, Hood River trip, Smith trip, coming to an end. Man, I'm calling this so far an unbelievably successful trip. We had a lot of fun, we got a lot of good footage, we got amazing riding in. So off to the airport, back home. Later.